Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. So right here guys, in this video we're going to go into the next part, which is the simplification of fractions. Like I said in my previous video, I said in the next part we're going to talk about how to simplify fractions to its lowest term. So right here guys, we're going to take a look at 3 examples on how you can easily simplify fractions to its lowest term. So guys, let's dive in and let's take in the first example. Now the first example states we should simplify the following fractions to its lowest term, and we have the fraction to be 28 over 72. So we want to simply simplify this to its lowest term, and guys, this is how we can simply do this. So the first thing we want to do is to bring out our digit, which is 28 over 72. You want to simply think of a number that can divide both 28 and 72. So right here guys, the first number that comes to mind is 2. Now if 2 divides 28, we're going to have 14. So this is going to be 14 over, now we're good, let's try out 2 in 72. So if 2 divides 72, we are going to have 36. So this is going to be 36. All right. Now let's see, as we can see, there is a number that can still divide the both of them, right? So let's think of another number that can do that. 2 can still work on this. So 2 divides 14 is simply 7, and 2 divides 36 is simply 18. All right, and that is it. Now there is no number that can divide both 7 and 18. So therefore guys, now 28 over 72 reduced to its lowest term is what? 7 over 18. And guys, this is it. Now you can simply try this out and see if your answer with mine is the same. Okay guys, let's take a look at the next example, which states express the following in its simplest form: 45 over 60. Now we are asked to simply just express this in its simplest form. All we want to do is to reduce this number to its simplest form. And right here guys, let's get to it and let's get started. Alright, so let's do this. So we are going to have, now you think of a number that can divide both 45 and 60. Now 2 can divide 45, but 2 can divide 60, so we can't make use of 2. So let's try out 3. Now 3 can divide both 45 and 60. So 3 divide 45 is going to give us 15. Now 60. 3 divide 60, we're going to have in 20. Now what can easily divide both number? Now 3 can divide 15, but 3 cannot divide 20. So 3 is out of the picture. So we go next into the next number, which is 4. 4 cannot divide 15, but 4 can divide 20. So we can't make use of that because these numbers are not dividing the both of them. We want to simply look for a number that can divide both of them. So guys, let's simply go on to the next number, which is 5. Now 5 can divide 15 and 5 can divide 20. So 5 divide 15 right here, we're going to have this to be 3, and 5 divide 20 is going to be 4. So 45 over 60 to its lowest term is simply 3 over 4. And guys, this is it. So let's take a look at the last example, and I'm just going to give a quick work for you to try out. Alright guys, the next question states we should reduce the fraction 36 over 48 to its simplest form. So guys, how are we going to do this? All we want to do is to bring out our digit, which is 36 over 48. Let's reduce this to its lowest term. Like I've always said, you think of a number that can divide the both of them, starting from the smallest number. We all know that when 1 divides a particular number is equal to that number, so 1 is totally out of the picture. So we start from 2. So 2 divide 36, we have 18, and 2 divide 48, we have 24. Now what can still divide? 2 can still divide both of them. So 2 divide 18 is equaling 9, and 2 divide 24, it is 12. Now 2 cannot divide 9, but 2 can divide 12, so we can't make use of 2. So we look for the next number which can divide both of them, and that number is 3. Now 3 can divide both 9 and 12, and 3 divide 9, we simply have 3, and 3 divide 12, we simply have 4. So right here guys, this is our answer. So reducing 36 over 48 to its simplest form, we have 3 over 4. So guys, try this out and leave your answer in the comment section. Reduce 55 over 105 to its lowest term. Alright guys, leave your answer below in the comment section, and guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.